So now let us discuss question 4. The question is phenol on treatment with CO2 in the presence of NaOH followed by acidification produces compound X as a major product. X on treatment with CH3CO2O in the presence of catalytic amount of H2SO4 produces. These four options are given. Try to solve this question. Now let us find the solution. Our first reaction is when phenol, this is phenol reacted with CO2 in the presence of NaOH, and this process is called the Smith reaction. In this when we reacted to NaOH and CO2, this goes here, and when we reacted, okay, so it's like this, and when we react it, we get O Na and COO Na, which then reaction with H positive gives us this. This is called salicylic acid, and this is sodium salt of salicylic acid. I'm writing sodium salt of salicylic acid. Okay, and this is our salicylic acid is our major product because this is we getting. And in our second reaction, the second reaction is esterification. That is esterification. In this, we are reacting our salicylic acid with CH3CO2O, that is acetic anhydride, to form aspirin.